Shiba Inu is going to make a lot of money with Robinhood. It's not a joke. We're ready for some big price changes, and they've already started. That being said, this is only the beginning. This week, the Shiba Inu development team is working on some crazy projects. What is going on? Okay, let me explain. This is a very important time for Shiba Inu. Shiba Burn, our favorite site for keeping track of Shiba Inu burns, just told us about a huge burn event yesterday in which 5.58 billion Shiba Inu tokens, worth over $100,000, were destroyed forever in a single transaction. A move like this is huge at a time when the number of Shiba Inus on the market has a direct effect on how much they could go up in price. The big question now is, who started the fire? At first, Shiba Inu's community was full of ideas, and most of them pointed to Binance. Some well-known people in the community, like Lola, think that Binance had something to do with this. They point to proof that Binance paid for the wallet that was used in the burn as proof. There is no doubt that this deal has caused a lot of excitement. Lucy, who is in charge of marketing for Shiba Inus, talked about how shocked she was by how bad the burn was. It's clear that even the Shiba Inu team is keeping a close eye on these programmers. There's no denying how important this burn is. It makes the Shiba Inu even more rare, which could finally help drive up its value. Then it became clear that this burn was caused by someone else. The burn was started by the people who made a new joke coin with cats on it. In an X post that came out 2 minutes after the burn, the team confirmed this, but one of the Shiba Inu's X accounts quickly warned people to be careful. Some projects use these big burns to get Shiba arms with pre-sales or tokens that aren't very good. It's happened before and will happen again. It might sound cool to burn $100,000, but it can be a quick attention play. Take a look at the whole picture before you jump in. Even so, this unexpected burn is making people more confident and excited about Shiba Inu's growth potential. But if we keep looking at the price line, we see an unexpected change. The price of Shiba Inus has gone down a bit. What's going on here? Well, Bitcoin recently went over $70,000, which gave the whole crypto market a confidence boost. Shiba Inu was no different. Shiba Inu started to get really strong, taking advantage of the positive mood caused by Bitcoin's rise, which put many altcoins in good situations. For Shiba Inu, this would help restore investor trust all around. If that happens, people might want to buy Shiba Inu again, which would probably make it easier for it to break through its next resistance level in the 400 range. If prices fall below the important support level, the mood could turn even more bearish, indicating that there might be a correction before another try at growth. Shiba Inu is currently facing two clear signs of possible trouble. First, let's look at how the price moves. On the daily chart, Shiba Inu fell below the important 200-day moving average by 4% yesterday. It's been almost 20 hours, and Shiba Inu has still not been able to break back above this level, indicating that there is still a lot of push to sell. Shiba Inu could go down even more if bears keep beating up on bulls. Its potential for even more loss will be even smaller if support stays weak. The second warning sign? The way that big holders act. Important Shiba Inu wallets, those that hold 0.1% or more of the circulation supply, have lost about 800 billion Shiba Inu in the last 48 hours. This behavior by big holders is a classic sign that people are trying to sell, most likely because they choose to get out at strong resistance levels rather than risk the price going down even more. Even though there has been a lot of excitement lately, this behavior shows that some of the biggest players are still being careful. They would rather sell and watch than hold on in hopes of a breakout. These events make it a turning point for Shiba Inus. A drop below these important support levels could mean that things are about to get worse. But Shiba Inu might level off if market trust rises and big investors come back. So the road ahead may look a little rough, but it's often when things are at their most important that we see the community's strength, which shapes Shiba Inu's future. But at times like these, Lucy steps in with an important reminder. Everyone, but especially people who are new to the market, needs to remember the basics. Her message is easy to understand, but very strong. Putting money into crypto is very risky. So, you should only put in what you can stand to lose. That's what she's basically saying, reminding everyone to be patient and think about the long run when they enter this market. Be an investor, not a gambler. It was perfect that Lucy sent her message now. Being slow and careful often pays off in the long run for Shiba Inus and crypto in general. Don't be scared by the price drop today. This could just be a short-term drop, especially since some great things are coming up for Shiba Inus. Is putting on a few one-of-a-kind events with Shiba Inu-themed tokens, including Shiba Inus and Doge, to honor Japan's Doge Day. As part of this week-long effort, there is a trading competition and a social media contest with prizes meant to get more people involved in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. For example, the Doge contest is a fun and easy-to-understand social media challenge where people can share pictures made by AI to win Amazon gift cards. At the same time, the Doge race gives people who buy Shiba Inu on the market a trading incentive by giving them a chance to win more Shiba Inu tokens through a lottery. Shiba Inu is getting support from SBI VC Trade, which is shown by the fact that they are giving away prizes and running this trading event to keep up demand. This isn't just a coincidence. When Shiba Inu, SBI VC Trade has put money into efforts to promote Shiba Inus, such as ones that celebrated Habu-Suchan's birthday and ones that let users earn passive income by lending Shiba Inus. When people back Shiba Inu like this, it's not just another joke coin. Being a meme at first, it's now making progress in the crypto world and is becoming a utility coin. Shiba Inus may not be in high demand right now because of these new changes, but as they become more popular and useful, the price may rise over time, which could bring in more buyers and help Shiba Inu gain speed, even though the current market prices don't support this. And since we're talking about trades, Shiba Inu just got a surprise nod from Robinhood today. This is always a good sign, especially since exchanges don't just promote tokens for no reason. They often talk about tokens they want to make, which may be speculative but is still interesting to know about. Robinhood just put out an article about the top joke coins and where they came from. Shiba Inu and Dogecoin are getting extra attention, but what made Robinhood stand out was how much he cared about Shiba Inus. They liked how Shiba Inu has grown from a 2020 community-driven joke coin to a major project with unique features such as the shibaswap. Robinhood talked about how important Shiba Inu was in bringing back interest in meme coins and changing people's ideas about them as more than just temporary tokens. By saying that Shiba Inu set a new standard for meme coins, Robinhood basically admitted that it had a huge effect on the meme coin world. And with all of these changes coming up, the future price of Shiba Inus looks pretty good. An expert found a bullish flag on Shiba Inu's 3-day chart right after the Robinhood update. This means that the price could break above key resistance levels. A well-known crypto analyst named Clifton Fex shared his thoughts on X with his fans by showing them a chart that shows a bullish flag formation. There is a green zone on the map that shows the expected move. It shows that Shiba Inu could possibly go up a lot, about 89% from its current level. This pattern, which is made up of a falling channel and 2 horizontal trend lines, has made it clear where Shiba Inu can find support and resistance. As long as the price stays close to the upper limit, it means that support might be tested. People in the